What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blades of Grass Lawn Care. And this POV video, I'm going to talk to you guys about when should you hire help for your lawn mowing business. Okay? Now, I know a lot of you guys always watch my videos and go, Johnny, you need help. Hey, you need help. When are you going to find a helper? When are you going to show your helpers? No, guys. Keep in mind, I have a set goal for the day. I have a set mission for my social media. Hint, hint. So on social media, I show you me, myself, and I, and that's it. I talk about me, myself, and I talk about being solo. That doesn't necessarily mean that I am solo and I am a one-man team. But that's not what this video is all about, guys. I don't have a lot of time. I only have 5 minutes left. So let's talk about when is the right time to hire a helper for your lawn mowing business. Number one is workload increases, right? If you have more clients than you can handle on your own, it's time to bring additional help to maintain quality of service. Number two, expansion. You have goals to have a bigger company, and keep in mind that everyone doesn't have a goal to have a big company, guys. That's one thing that you need to realize. Everyone doesn't want to have a big company. Some people want to have a nice, small, manageable company, and some guys just want to be by themselves. So to each one their own goal. So if you want to expand your company, when you're looking to expand your company, your services or area, a helper can enable you to take on more jobs and grow your business, right? You want to expand, you want to grow bigger, then you hire a helper. Number three, specialized tasks. Let's say, for instance, you want to offer hardscape. You don't know how to do hardscape. You hire someone who knows how to do hardscape, right? Let's say you want to do tree services and you don't know how, you're not licensed, you don't know how to do tree services. Then you hire someone to do that within your business. And remember what Elon Musk said, you hire the smartest people to make your job the easiest, right? That's the way you do it, guys. Expertise can enhance your business to offer more services. Number four is seasonal demand. During peak season, usually the spring, and it's also with my area is summer, your demand might surge, and an extra pair of hands can help you manage your increased workload and your efficiency. So a lot of times, guys, sometimes when you only have, let's say you have a lot of work, what you can do is you can hire a part-time helper, to help you out on Monday and Tuesdays, or let's say 2 days out of the week, or 1 day out of the week, depending on who you hire, and so on and so forth, right? You don't always have to hire someone full-time. That's one thing that you need to also realize. You don't have to hire them full-time. Maybe they have a night job, or maybe they have I don't know, like a firefighter where they have certain shifts and they're available certain days, right? Or even on the weekends, you can hire somebody just for the weekend. Number five, excuse me, your personal time management. Your business is consuming your personal time and is affecting your work-life balance. So hiring a help can alleviate, some of that burden, because, guys, the reality is, you have a family. You need to know how to balance your personal time. Number six is customer satisfaction. To ensure timely and quality service for your customers, additional help can prevent delays and maintain high customer satisfaction level, right? You can't do everything by yourself, guys. Sometimes you need help to help you do these things. And physical demand. Lawn mowing is a physical, demanding job, especially in the summertime. If you find it challenging to keep up with the physical strain, hiring somebody can definitely help you and reduce the risk of burnout or injury. You know, your back is bad, you know, you're getting older, all that good stuff. Hire young guys, shovel that a mulch, etc. Right? So evaluate your current situation and future plans, right, to determine the right time to hire a helper. And remember, guys, sometimes you can start off part-time and just make him into full-time. Pop Smoke. Peace.